Hi everyone, it is Yen here. Welcome back to my channel. Yeah, I'm just jumping right into this. I'll have sped this up 8 times because, as you will see very shortly, I decided to scrape this one. It did not work out at all. It is from a class that I took with Tara at the Fluid Art Experience. And yeah, this was a pearl pour with a Dutch pour on top of it, but as you can see, I had no pearls. I had lines. It looked really weird, and I decided with Tara that it was better to just go ahead and scrape it. So that is what I'm doing. I just thought that I would show you that that was my first attempt. Did not end up anyway like I wanted it. I did have some issues with the pearls. I really have to definitely have to try to work more on this because I don't know why, but I didn't get as many pearls as I had wished. But it's, yeah, you can only practice and learn, right? So that's what I'm doing, and that's what I was doing here. It was great, a great experience to be in Tara's classes. She's a wonderful person, a wonderful teacher. I really recommend that if you're not already subscribed to her channel, that you go check her out. I will leave a link for her channel in my description. And here I go again. Not as fast, actually normal speed. So I'm just putting on the base coat, which has the satin enamel in it, which is what helps the pearls to happen. But yeah, so just put down the base coat, and I will then spread it out. I don't know how important it is, but the idea was to actually leave a stripe in the middle, clear of paint. But as you will see, I didn't manage that, and I really don't think that it makes a huge difference. It's okay to just cover the whole thing, to be honest, if that is easier. But yeah, now I've spread out the base coat, and then I'll start with the colors. As you'll see, I'm only using two colors in the puddles, and I put them on. Yeah. Well, you see it here in two different puddles. I'm not sure. I think this must be a Prussian blue, but I'm honestly I don't remember. Sorry about that. And then this is a turquoise. I don't know what brand it is. Sadly, I think it's Amsterdam, but I'm not 100% sure. But yeah, you just add these two puddles, and then you have to spread them out, and you have to be pretty fast about how you spread them out, because what is supposed to happen is that you're spreading the colors, the puddles, all over the canvas, and then the base coat will then start generating pearls from down under the puddle paint. Again, I would have loved it if I had gotten a lot more pearls. If you've seen the videos that I did with from Sarah Taylor's class, there I actually had too many pearls, so I have to find the middle ground here. But it was a lot of fun to try it out, and I've never done. First of all, I've never really, well, I can't say that I haven't done pearl paints, because as you will probably also have seen in the video that I did, the second pearl paint, that painting pour that I did with Sarah, I actually showed one of my early paintings that I really love, and that actually was a pearl paint kind of thing, where I used Minwax pre-stain to actually generate the pearls. I've totally stopped using that. I find this method a lot more interesting, and yeah, I'd much rather use satin enamel than using the Minwax pre-stain. So now I'm just waiting for the pearls to start developing, and deciding where I'm actually going to put the Dutch pour, because you want it to not interfere too much with where the pearls are. So that's why I decided to kind of do a V shape here. If you can call it that, maybe a Y shape, I don't know. Whatever you want to call it. Yeah, and I've slowed it down to normal speed because I wanted you to see how exactly this part is done. So I just add the three colors again. I just decided to go with the same color scheme, and then I'm gonna blow it out with a blow dryer. While we're at it, while we're waiting for the blow dryer, if you're not already subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. Do leave me a comment. Any questions that you may have, ask me in my video in the comment section and I will respond. And last but not least, please give me a thumbs up. Share if you want. If you feel like it, please. I can use the exposure. So thanks a lot. But back to the painting. As you see, I put down four colors I can see. So the Prussian blue, the turquoise, I'm not sure which one it is, and then a light blue and a white. And then I'm gonna start blowing that out. This is obviously thin paints because they have to be thin as you would make them for Dutch pours. I'm not even sure if they're a little thicker than what you would normally use for Dutch pours, but yeah, I don't do a lot of Dutch pours, so this is all new for me. Well, I've done Dutch pours, but it's just not the technique that I work the most with. But yeah, I'm spreading this out with the blow dryer, and actually ended up having a pretty neat design, I think, or composition. I didn't want to blow it down into the pearls, so that's why I stop here and do a little fiddling with a straw and a few other options. But yeah, again, lots of fun. Thank you, Tara, for showing me some of your techniques and some of your secrets. That was wonderful, and I will definitely try this out at home at some point. Right now, I'm discussing with Tara what I should do, what I could do. Decide to try to blow out. It wasn't able to really move it with my mouth, so I'm using a straw instead, just to get a little more interest in the pedal here. But really didn't do much to change it. The Dutch part, the Dutch pour part of the painting, as you can see, just a few extra blows with the straw. But it was a lot of fun. I did do another one, which I will be posting shortly. And yeah, there you'll see the difference. Same color scheme, but right now I am actually adding some man-made pearls. You can just use the base coat and just add little drops of the base coat, and that'll generate pearls. Not quite the same way, but it will generate some pearls. Here comes the wet results. Right after that, you'll see the dry result. I have nothing more to say except for thanking you for being here, and I wish you have a wonderful day. Bye.